Welcome back. Today, we're going to be covering a couple advanced features within the Workflow Secret dashboards. If you made it through all of the other tutorials and you found yourself here, but you don't yet have access, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to ensure that you have full access to this section. If you do have access, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. Now that we have full editing access in our Workflow Secret dashboards, let's take a look at the Share drop-down menu. Before we get started though, I would encourage you to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. So it's prudent that you understand how each of these features can affect your dashboard so that you don't air out your dashboard when critical data is needed the most. To access our shared dashboard option, all we need to do is navigate to the top right-hand side, clicking on that share and using the drop-down icon to locate all of the different options. The first option we want to take a look at today is the invite people option. In this, you're able to add individuals that you would like to share this dashboard with, as well as set the precedent in which they are able to either view or edit the dashboard that you've shared with them. You can also check to notify them via email once you've shared that with them. If you decide you need to understand who has access, as well as what accesses they have within this Workflow Secret dashboard, you can navigate to the right-hand side, clicking on that Manage Access, and you'll be able to see who has access to all of your Workflow Secret dashboards. One of the really cool features about this is you can also select to prevent editors from changing access or adding additional users to this dashboard, as well as disable downloading, printing, and copying from any viewers that have access to your dashboard. This is ideal for team members that you would like to share this dashboard view with, but ensure that they're not able to simply download and walk away with those dashboards. From here, all you have to do is save if changes were made or close if changes were not, and then you're ready to go. Thanks again for tuning in to today's training. We hope you had a really great lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. Otherwise, you've got some more lessons to cover, so go ahead and scroll on down and get those started. But we'll see you there.